The minute you enter the door, you're greeted by this very, very, very long mirror, like all the way to the end. How beautiful that is. I like it. Like it. So this is the sitting area. Let me open it for you guys so you guys can see. It's a big unveiling. Oh my goodness, I love this. Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Hope you guys are well. And guys, today I'll be taking us through the room tour and everything that we have in this very beautiful place. And for those who don't know, I'm currently in Cape Town, so I'm just here for some holidays for the very long weekend. So I hope you guys gonna enjoy this video. So this is what by far one of the most beautiful and the ideal place. If you're looking for an apartment in Cape Town, guys, I highly advise that you check out this apartment. I'll leave the link to this apartment in the description below, so please do check it out. If you like it, give it a shot. And by the way, this video is not sponsored by the host. Hopefully the host, Jacob, had a conversation with you. Hopefully you do something if you happen to come across this video. But yeah, all good. So first thing first, let's jump straight into it. We have this very beautiful fridge. Guys, this fridge is really good. Like, it's way proper. Like, I like it. I like it. Makes sense in my opinion. You see? Like, look at it. Look at it. Look at this. And then I'll open for you guys so that you can see what's on the inside. So do you see what's in there? You're greeted by this, our mini groceries. It's all good. Like, it's so clean, way proper. It's all good. Like, it's really proper. So yeah, we just have our mini groceries because we're not here for the longest time. We just have for the holidays, which was yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Then we're good to go. And then we have our beautiful microwave. Samsung vibes, guys. Like, Samsung is the way to go. Like, it's the best. It's the best. Look at it. Like, how beautiful this is. It's really good. I like it. It makes sense. Okay. Let's see from there. We have our machine this side. It's really good. I like it. It makes a lot of sense. And one other thing, the finishes of this place, guys, it's just too good. It's way proper. Look at this. The minute you enter the door, you're greeted by this very long mirror, like all the way to the end. How beautiful that is. I like it. Like, it makes a lot of sense actually. And there's the sink. Everything else, nothing deep. One thing that I like about the place, the host did make sure, like, there's some, you know, like the sunlight liquid, handy, and everything. It just makes sense, guys. And in my experience, all the other places, they didn't really come with some of these basic utensils. So yeah, so it's so good to hear that this place comes with these things. That's why I said to you guys, if you're looking for a good place to book in Cape Town, please check out this place. Amen. So let's continue. There's the espresso, the coffee machine. To be honest, we've never used it. Do I feel bad? No, I don't feel bad. I'm not really a coffee person. Please comment down below if you can relate. If you can relate to what I'm talking about here. Okay, and then there's the stove. Really good induction stove. It's all good. So yeah, I think we've only prepared one meal, if not mistaken. So it makes a lot of sense, to be honest. Okay, then from there, what do you see? What do we have? We have the spoons. And what else do we have? We have the other stuff as well. But you know, as a man, you don't even use some of these things. Like, even as a woman, man, I guess I'm sure you can relate to me. Tina, men are just straightforward. We just need a knife. We need, that's all we need. I'm kidding. Okay, so let's continue. It's this thing, I forgot its name, bro. Whatever it is, but I've never used that. Because men are just basic human beings on earth. I'm kidding. Let's see, what do you have this side? We have the frying pans. Oh, good. And then this side as well, we have the pot. Then this is the other one, and then there goes the other one as well that I used while we were preparing the meal. Okay, let's see this. Just a grater. Obviously, never used that. Okay, let's continue, guys. So this is the part with our Samsung TV there. It's really amazing. It also supports YouTube, Netflix. Unfortunately, that does not support Showmax, but I believe if you have Netflix, you can make it work, bro. But one thing that has been really outstanding, I've been binge watching my videos. Look at this one. This is the latest video that I've uploaded on YouTube. Please do check it out, guys. I did this one 3 weeks ago.
my YouTube channel.
There we go. That's me, guys. That's me. So please don't forget to check out this video. It's a video that I did 3 weeks ago. Is my YouTube channel is Thabiseng Lawrence. It's this one. Thabiseng Lawrence. I did it 3 weeks ago. It was only 103 views. Please do yourself a favor. And if you're looking for an apartment in Sandton as well, there's other videos that I've did that I've uploaded. Please do check them out as well. I hope you're gonna enjoy them. Okay, then there goes the Wi-Fi and everything. Okay, and then let's go. Let's see what we have there. So there goes the desk. So nothing deep in this desk. I have my MacBook as usual. I think I have to give you a special shout out because it's always there on every single video that I've made. There goes the MacBook. I'm kidding. So yeah, and then there's the couch. The couch is so comfortable, guys. I won't lie to you guys. It's so beautiful. It's really, really comfortable. Can't say much about it. Not the best, but it does the job. It gets the job done, honestly speaking. Okay, let's jump straight into it. So this is the sitting area for breakfast and lunch as well. So it's really, really beautiful actually. I think the host, he changed these chairs into the new ones, so they're really, really soft and very comfortable. So it really, really gets the job done, honestly. And one other thing before I forget is the design up there is really, really so amazing. I think I'm really a fan. I like it. It makes a lot of sense. I'm sure you guys, if you remember in all the apartments that I've been to, I've always given like a special shout out to these designs. Look at the other one as well. So beautiful, so lovely. It's all good. So yeah, and the couch as well, really, really good. Makes a lot of sense actually. Lovely stuff. And then from there, let's see, I'm gonna take you guys through the bathroom. Okay, let's go. Nothing deep in this area. It's the bathroom. Guys, so nothing deep. Thank you. No, I'm kidding. So yeah, okay, let's see. It's all good. It's all good. They provided us with the towels there, so they're all good. And don't mind all this stuff, guys. All the body lotions and whatnot. Ask no questions and hear no lies. That's all I can say. And there goes the boy there. We're good to go. And there goes the shower. Really, really amazing. But one thing that I don't like is this. It's this part. It looks like when you're showering, it looks like the water's gonna come out. Honestly, and I think it actually does. You know, so it's something that I'm not really a fan of it. But what can I say? It really makes sense. Okay, and then from now, we're gonna go straight into the bedroom. The bedroom, I mean to say. Thank you. Okay, guys, like I promised, we're gonna go straight into the bedroom. It's really, really amazing. So the first thing that I love is the finish. Look at this, the sliding door. Okay, it's really, really amazing. Let me open it for you guys so you guys can see. It's a big unveiling. Oh my goodness, I love this. This makes a lot of sense. Oh gosh. Looks like I took it way over, my goodness. Okay. How beautiful that is. How beautiful that is. Guys, the bed. So amazing. Very stylish, very modern. Not that big, not so high. It's just way, I can't even describe it, but it's just too good. It's just too good. Makes a lot of sense. Very comfortable. Can't complain about it. I'll give it 10 out of 10. With no doubt, with no hesitation. It's the best. And as well as the other stuff as well, the pillows, they just make sense. Everything in this bedroom makes a lot of sense. It's very modern, very stylish. And you're also greeted as well as by the aircon as well. Really, really good as well. It makes a lot of sense, makes things easier in the night to warm the temperature within this room, you know. Look really, really, really beautiful, honestly speaking. And then we also have the headlamps as well on the side, but you guys already know I'm not really a fan. They just make sense, but I'm not really a fan. They're really good in their own way. I'm not really a fan. Okay, and then from there, but one thing that has been outstanding in this bedroom is the bed, guys. You can see it yourself, makes a lot of sense. The minute I saw the bed, I was like, guys, this is the place that I'm gonna buy. This is the place. This is the way to go. I'm kidding. Let's jump straight into it. And then on this side with the wardrobe, nothing deep as usual. The wardrobe with 5 years. So well, I'm not gonna do much on that one. So yeah, nothing deep. We also have our clothes. And one thing that has been really good with this place, they also provided the ironing board, and then they also provided the hair dryer and the iron as well. So it makes things a little bit easier in a way. So it has been really, really good in that sense. Okay, so the other thing before I end this video, so what do we have? We're gonna have we have the mirror on this side. It's so beautiful, makes a lot of sense. There we go, I see myself. Yeah, guys, please don't forget, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, share with your relatives, your family. Give it a thumbs up and comment down below. This is by far one of the best videos. Hallelujah, amen. I'm kidding. Okay, so let's jump straight into it. On this side, this place is so beautiful, guys. If you're looking for a place in Cape Town, like I said, I'm gonna leave the link in the description down below. Check it out. You can even maybe find other very cheap stuff there. So yeah, but please do check it out. Do yourself a favor. How beautiful that is. How beautiful that is. I love it. Makes a lot of sense. If you don't like this place, you need to see an optometrist, because I think something is wrong with your eyes. Something must be fishy. Something you need to admit yourself. I'm kidding. Okay, let's see. So first thing first, this area, the balcony. To be honest, you guys know by now. You guys have already made peace with you. We didn't even have time to sit like on the balcony and just have a good time and whatnot. But it's been really, really amazing, beautiful place. But one thing that has really stood out for us is the view as well. It's just so beautiful. It's just too good. Guys, I think that's it about the video. Please rate it, give it a thumbs up if you like it, comment down below, rate it out of 10. What do you think? How's been your impression of the place? But for me, I think it's a 10 out of 10. You know, this place is just too good. You know, if you're looking for an ideal place in Cape Town, please do check out this place. It's really, really good. Makes a lot of sense in my opinion. It's very close to everything, closer to the ocean, closer to the city, closer to VNA. Like it's closer to, you know, like it makes sense. Like it makes sense, to be honest, you know. Like so you know. But yeah, that's it for me, guys. You know, like I said, guys, I'm not here to play. I'm here to stay on the YouTube street. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, comment on your favorite part of the video. I love you guys. You guys are the best. Otherwise, I love you guys. Just bye.